Welcome to MakerStore's Product Focus series. The 40 Series Central Connector is a high-strength internal fastener designed to create secure connections between 40 Series aluminium extrusions. Manufactured from zinc-plated steel, it provides excellent durability and corrosion resistance while maintaining a clean, bracket-free appearance. Unlike external corner brackets, the central connector is installed inside the extrusion, helping create a more professional and streamlined finish. One of the key advantages of the central connector is its concealed design. Once installed, the connector remains hidden within the extrusion and is only visible from the access side. The connector uses an internal ramp mechanism. As the set screw is tightened, the pin is pulled into the chamber, drawing the two extrusion profiles together to create a strong and secure joint. This space-efficient design reduces external hardware while maintaining excellent structural integrity. To install the central connector, first drill an 11mm access hole approximately 15 to 17.5 millimeters from the end of the extrusion. Insert the connector chamber into the access hole and align it with the T-slot. Next, insert the connector pin into the slot and slide the second extrusion profile onto the pin. Once everything is aligned, tighten the set screw. The internal ramp mechanism will pull the profiles together, creating a rigid connection. The 40 Series Central Connector is ideal for CNC machine frames, industrial automation systems, workstations, assembly lines, machine guarding, and custom aluminium extrusion projects. It's a great solution whenever a clean appearance and reliable structural connection are required. For more information, visit the MakerStore website and follow us for more product-focused videos.